guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making some more iced coffee because that's honestly all we do. That's not true, but we are making some more iced coffee. The lighting in my kitchen is so bad, but I can't help it. Alright, so today is going to be very interesting because, as everyone knows by now, I love iced coffee. And as everyone also probably knows, is that I love vanilla iced coffee. Like, this is my best friend. But as I said in one of my recent videos where I was trying another vanilla iced coffee recipe, I don't want to keep drinking soy milk, which is why I'm gonna try something else today. I am like kind of nervous because I never drink anything else than like vanilla iced coffee. And today we're gonna try hazelnut iced coffee. Yay! So I was in the store yesterday and I saw this, which is like actual syrup for in your coffee and then hazelnut taste. So this is like hazelnut syrup, and they also had this one in caramel, but they didn't have it in vanilla, which is super annoying because I want this in vanilla, but no one sells that because everyone's just stupid. So then I also have milk. Like, my family doesn't really drink milk. I just got these small packages of milk because then you can keep it longer. I don't really know how, but they don't expire that fast. Like, you can keep them as long as you don't open it. And if I would get like normal milk in this size, I wouldn't drink it that much. Like, we don't drink it that much. So then if I would get it in that size, I would open it and then it would expire in like 3 days. So that's not good. So we just got these. So I have a cup, I have a straw, I have the syrup, milk. The only thing we need, oh wait, the only two things we need is ice cubes and coffee. So we're gonna go make coffee now. Once again, I don't know how much water I need. I never know how much I need of anything. This is gonna make a lot of noise again, I'm sorry. Ooh. The smell isn't good, but I don't think any syrup smells good. Only vanilla, obviously, because a vanilla iced latte is honestly all you need in life. Also, something interesting, my school actually sells iced coffee. I don't know since when, but like, they have this sign and that says iced coffee is always a good idea. And I agree very much. But I still haven't gotten iced coffee. I don't really know why, actually. I just got back from school. We're gonna make this iced coffee and then I have a ton of stuff to do for school. When you guys see this, school's already over probably, but I do have to do a lot for school right now. Here we have 4 ice cubes. So what do I do now? How do I even make this? I'm gonna go Google how I make this. I don't know what I should do first. Syrup, coffee, or milk. Let's Google. I feel like people always have more ice cubes. Maybe that's better. Should I try? I'm gonna get more ice cubes. I have 4 more. Better? Because whenever you Google like how to make iced coffee, then it's always like fill your glass with ice. Like, actually fill it so it's like completely full with ice. And that's also what people do at like Starbucks. But I just always get like 4 ice cubes or something. And I don't really know why. Oh, I wanted to make a thumbnail. I googled the recipe and it just says fill it with ice, and then it says pour all the ingredients in it. Oh my god. Hazelnut syrup. Yeah, we know that. We have that. Ice. How to make iced coffee. Let's see. Fill the glass full with ice. Like, this also says you have to make it full with ice. I think you do the syrup lastly. I'm not sure though. Everything just said that it doesn't matter in which order you do it. So I'm just gonna do coffee, milk, and then syrup, I guess. This is the coffee I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna pour some of this milk in it. Oh my god, no. Maybe a little bit too much milk. Tell how much milk I need. Okay, now we're gonna do this. How much? Is that enough? It's probably too much. That's probably too much. I have no idea. I don't know, man. Okay, we're gonna try. It doesn't even taste like hazelnut that much. The parts that do taste like hazelnut are really nice. But I don't think you're supposed to do this much in one. I'm so confused. Or did I have to use less milk? The parts that taste like hazelnut are really good. But I don't know if this is how you're supposed to make it. It's not bad. I actually kind of like it. In my opinion, the vanilla iced latte from Dunkin' Donuts always tastes like a little bit like hazelnut. I don't really know why that is, but it's nice. I think this was a success because I really like the hazelnut. I think this was a success. The only thing that I would change is maybe less milk. Overall, the hazelnut is good, so I don't really know. It's really hard to decide, but I just would say less milk, I guess. I don't know if this is like really short. I feel like I've been filming for like 5 minutes. This is going to be the end for this video because I need to do stuff for school. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. Comment down below any videos you want to see from me this summer because I'm gonna try to upload a lot. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.